Welcome to my Puamana May update. Here you can see the grass filling in nicely by the clubhouse. And there's not a lot to report from May. We still are going through a few hurdles with the county as far as verifying pre-fire number of rooms for the destroyed units. There's also a state historic review now being done. Here you can see the parking spots that we traded, the surfer parking spots that we traded to help move the permitting process along a little faster, so hopefully that should help. Other than that, as you walk along the property, everything looks beautiful. Here you can see the quarter-mile of white sandy beach out front. The beach is filled in nicely, and the cobble push project is holding very well on the south side. And I'm convinced as soon as we get some construction going on in Lahaina town and desk curtains up in Puamana, confidence will come back. Thank you for listening to my update. Hui ho.